of nature was called as Newton's third law of motion. It states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When we walking in the ground and when we swimming in the pond or a lake or when we jump in the ground, there are some example of Newton's third law of motion. So now Pansy will explain about the model.
So the Newton third law states that for every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction, which means there is opposite and equal, in which the first object is for for every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction, which means when one object applies equal force on the first object, this is also known as action and reaction force. According this law, these forces are always equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So here I have two examples through which you can understand it better. So we all getting launched in TV or mobile phones. So in case of rocket, when a rocket is get burnt, it produce hot gases. So when the hot gases goes downward with a higher force, which is the action, and the hot gases pushes the rocket upward with greater force, which is the reaction. In this, according to the Newton's third law, the higher the higher the gases goes up downwards, it pushes the rocket with great force. So through this the rocket get launched, you can see.
Wow. Yes. Very good.
But is the Newton's cradle. Wait.
Keep it here, man.
Okay.
Just share otherwise.
So in Newton's cradle, when we lift a ball and release it, it hit the next ball, which is the action. Uh, this struck balls touches the other ball, which